Alright, first Nate gets the Coke with the slice.
Of course. Bro shot it immediately.
Come on! Best slice. This one.
That made me take it out of there.
And the ranch.
That's cooked. Okay, so it's this pizza today. How many slices though?
6, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ain't gonna affect you. You're not even gonna hit the cup, bro.
I haven't seen you ever make a shot.
I'm hitting the cup now. Doinks.
What is up with this cup?
I'm actually getting pissed. Man. Just take a step back.
We're going with the baby piece?
Don't question him. Don't question him. He already has it. You already have it in your hand. Saying that like
We're going in order.
Get a slice.
Oh!
This dude seasoning up and stuff, bro. This dude. Oh. Oh. You shouldn't put back here, bro, because apparently I'm too strong. Apparently I'm too strong! Come on! Let's go, baby!
Yeah! 3 pieces left. Who's it gonna be? I'm going for the pepperoni.
Probably not me.
Come on, you got it,
I
bro.
don't even want to make it anymore.
There it is.
There's one left. Gotta end the video off right.
Yeah.